Do you miss your ex? Who wouldn't? But wake up if you want to get your ex-boyfriend back. You must not encourage that feeling. He should be the one missing you and not the other way around. I know it's hard not to feel that for someone you've been with for a long time. But wouldn't it be better if you can actually make him miss you? There are a lot of men out there whose main thinking is to divide and conquer. Giving them a taste of their own medicine will actually do the trick for you, and that is to make him feel as miserable and as lonely as you actually are. Yes, it is not that simple, but if you prepare yourself and actually follow a foolproof plan, then you can easily succeed and make him pay for ending your relationship. We all get this initial reaction of trying to do everything in our power to get our ex back by completely doing the things that actually drives them further away from us. Things like begging and pleading won't do you any good. It is not a way to get your ex-boyfriend back. If you start treating yourself right again by ignoring your emotions, you can easily turn the table and be the one being sought after by your ex. Life is not over because you've broken up with your significant other. If you somehow neglected yourself during the latter part of your relationship, like you've gained lots of weight, or you don't dress anymore the way you once did, now is the right time that you regain your old self. Try to lose that weight, visit the gym and start frequenting spas or the salon. Go out with your friends and be happy. That way, you can show your ex what he is missing, and that is the new you. If you are used to doing things with your ex, and he thinks that you can no longer enjoy that activity without him, then prove him wrong. If you guys are fond of doing things together like watching movies, eating in restaurants, partying with friends, then do it without him. I am sure that he'll envy you for being able to do it on your own. Make him see that you can actually live a happy life without him. If you do that, it will make him wish that you're still together. Little did you know, he is the one who is actually feeling all bad about the breakup. Don't miss your ex, make him the one to miss you. It is the most effective approach to get your ex-boyfriend back. It is still quite possible to get him back regardless of whether he eloped with someone else or not. Of course, you have to know how to do it effectively. Now listen carefully, take 2 minutes to click the link below in the description to learn the most effective approach to get your ex-boyfriend back in your life and very much in love with you again. It has worked for me and it will also work for you.